Looking for some great apps for sports, live sports, kind of like ESPN, DAZN, TSN, Sportsnet, whatever your pleasure is. Maybe get a free version of it. Follow these steps and I'll show you how I do it with these IPT applications. If you do not already have the app downloader, go to the search icon, type in downloader, DOWN. This app lets us side load applications onto the Fire TV stick. Once you get it, download it, install Downloader. Head back to your home screen all the way to the right to the settings icon and come down to My Fire TV. Now under My Fire TV, if you do not have developer options listed, go on to About and click on Fire TV stick multiple times with the select button on your remote. Mine now says no need, I'm already a developer. And we can go back to the My Fire TV section under settings, and under developer options we can click on install unknown apps, turn on Downloader. This allows Downloader to install applications that are not from the Amazon App Store. Let's go back to the home screen. Now guys, please safeguard your online activity. Grab yourself a great little VPN. Again, in the search icon, type in Surfshark, SURF Shark VPN. Download it, install it. Use the link in the description below to get yourself a sweet discount, about 82% off. Open up Surfshark, find yourself the nearest location for your sporting event. I'm in Canada, so I'm going to select Detroit. Worldwide, folks. Surfshark will secure your online activity, is able to geolocate you, and just keep everything nice and safe. As you can tell, I have Downloader on a shortcut on my home screen. If you want to do that, just go to the 3 squares plus sign, and you can click on the application with the 3-line button, and you can move it as you see fit. So let's open up Downloader. Downloader will ask you to allow it to access files on your Fire TV stick. Please say yes and allow it. And under Downloader, in the URL or search term, type in 370178. This is a shortcut to the website Led by the Unknown and to its download page. Here in the downloads page, there are extra little how-tos, little video for you to check out down below, and applications that you can install on your Amazon Fire Stick. So let's head on down. So under the movies, TV shows, live streaming apps, and of course sports is what we're looking for, and some IPTV. We can try apps like Zumo, Pluto. We have DAZN, ESPN. Try a little Zumo TV. When you're in the Zumo TV download section, just head on down and under the Amazon or Android device, download, click and install. Once the installation is done, we're going to click done and delete the APK file as we no longer need it. And you hit back, and we can do the same with Pluto, Peacock, Possum, but today we're looking into more sports, right? Well, these are some IPTV applications that will get us live streaming sports right to our Fire Stick, all for free. Pluto TV, same thing, install. We click done, delete the APK file as we no longer need it. Now let's go back to our home screen and your apps and games icon. We can hit Pluto TV. Let's move it to the front here. Do the same with Zumo Play. Move it to the front. Both Zumo and Pluto do have their own live sports sections. And here we can go to the left, the live guide. And we come down, click on sports. Duke at Wake Forest, ACL Open, T Capital, post game, Look at that, even Fox Sports 1. All right. World Poker Series, some best of NFL, some Nitro Rallycross, a bunch of different stuff. LSU and Alabama. Beautiful. Let's check out Pluto TV for these live sports TV channels. You can tell on the left here, live TV. It doesn't really break it down quite as nicely as Zoom will. Hopefully come on down. There we go, sports. So we got some NFL. Some news. UTB. Everett Championship. Some extra news stuff. Must be a slow down Pluto TV for their sports. Oh, there we go. So we got sports post-game highlights for the from CBS, some Fox Sports, NBC, MLB, PGA, Golf Pass, Pluto Sports, Fight, Bellator, Glory, World Poker Tour, some more poker, monsters, like quite a bit of sports for you. I hope you enjoy these amazing IPTV sports applications. Peace.